Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darcy, where we take the simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today's video is hosted by Cass from Clutter Bug, and it's the 12-week Hug Your Home Challenge. We're actually on week 4 in this challenge, but I'm a week behind, so I'm doing week 3, which is cleaning and decluttering my master bathroom. So, if you'd like to see what I've accomplished so far in cleaning and organizing my master bathroom, then stay tuned. Welcome to my home and welcome to my master bathroom. As you can see, I'm in the middle here of the bathroom, and as I pan around, you'll be able to see what the counters look like. I'm going to be cleaning and organizing these counters and also the bath area here and the shower as well. So if you'd like to see what I have done in cleaning and organizing this bathroom, then definitely stay tuned. This is what my bathroom looks like now that I've cleaned and organized the entire area. I've taken off everything from the counter, as you can see, and pretty much all that I'm keeping on this counter here is just the floral arrangement and soaps that are by each sink. Now the extra things are in the drawers, and we've always kept our toothbrushes and toothpaste and cotton buds in these drawers. There are 4 drawers, 2 on my side and 2 on my husband's side by the sink area, and that's where we keep in little baskets or day-to-day cleaning products. Now under the sink, of course, we have extra soaps, and I'll have a video on that because there's quite a bit that was done under the sink, so I'll do that in a separate video. Now, as I pan around, I'll show you, actually what I have here right now is just where I keep all my makeup. And as you can see, I've always had the makeups here in these containers. So I have these baskets that but these boxes that I keep my hair brushes, my makeup brushes, and my makeup, of course, by this little area that I sit to use for my makeup. And I do have drawers there that I keep my extra makeup in as well. So that's the makeup area here, and this is pretty much the sink area here. Now as I pan around, we'll go over to where the bathtub is, and as you can see, I just have extra towels here, a plant, some pictures, and a candle, and that's pretty much all there is. The shower area is very basic as well, because I want to make everything really easy to get cleaned and organized on a daily basis. So this is pretty much, this wall has just some extra towels here, but this is what my bathroom looks like now that I have cleaned and organized the entire bathroom. So again, thank you, Cass, for hosting this challenge. I'm extremely happy to be a part of it. I have done a lot, and I plan on continuing to make sure that I have my home, as it were, so that everything is kept really clean and organized. So if you like this video and you like what you see, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch the other participants, subscribe to their channels as well. And again, thank you for stopping by, and I do look forward to seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and good luck.